Mayday! Mayday! You got deals dropping like bombs over here. It's a madhouse.
Are you ready for Way Day? Y'all, Wayfair's biggest sale of the year is happening now, today and tomorrow only, and there are some crazy deals. So I'm quickly gonna go over the top 5 product categories you'll wanna shop for. FYI, if you just moved into a new place or you wanna spruce up your current living space, this is the sale for you. We're talking home decor, not surprising because that's kind of Wayfair's thing. All links in the description, and if you happen to click through or make a purchase, Slickdeals may receive a small commission. Just a quick disclaimer. Ready to talk about Wayfair's sale of the year? Hit that thumbs up button, and here we go. Wayfair is boasting sales up to 80% off, and there are 2 product categories where you'll see those darn good deals: area rugs and wall art. Look at this deal on this rug, for instance. Like, what's the catch? Definitely don't want to sweep this deal under the rug. This painting is sick. This is going up in my room. Like, seriously, like, this is crazy. I'm gonna have to stop because I'm just gonna buy the whole internet. The next best category you can shop is living room seating at up to 70% off. Earlier, my editor was telling me to make sure I included this deal with the rest, and I said, you mean I need to couch it? But bedding is also 70% off, so if you need to use some comfy, stylish blankets, take a gander. And if you need some pillows, you can open up this video in a new tab to watch after you shop. Please subscribe. There are several other categories with significant sales, so check out some of the links below. And for reals, please subscribe for more deals. I'm Pete King, and if you paid full price, you weren't really trying. Thanks. Thank you. Put that in there. Put that in.